Milos Forman become the director?
Listen to me. I don't understand. Listen.
Milos Forman has one thing in his mind. It's to make the movie.
And we were a little nervous because we heard he had not left the Chelsea Hotel in over a year. And if you think he has an accent now, you should have heard him a few years ago.
The winner is Milos Forman.
Thank you.
And we arrived in Cannes.
Right.
And the festival was cancelled.
But you participated in the canceling.
You too.
Yeah, but because I didn't understand a word what you guys were saying. You and Truffaut and Louis Malle and Chabrol and Godard, my friends.
Takže to vypadalo normálně, takže já tam pojedu udělat film a vrátím se.
Zajímavé, když jako se narodili kluci Petr s Matějem, že jo, já jsem pracoval, pak jako bylo ten odjel do Ameriky bez nich a tak dále. Nebyl problém pro mě, protože to bylo jako být děti je prostě normální, jo. Teprve prostě po, já nevím kolika, že 40 letech se narodil Jim and Andy. Tak jsem si najednou uvědomil, že děti to je zázrak.
The great film director he is, he's something that is even more important, which is he's a great human being.
I love him. With the Nazis, with the communists after that, you know, he's been through it all, and he somehow managed not only to survive, but then to become the very top of his profession.
Tam jsem jako naposledy malinko viděl, no. Co jsou lidi schopni jeden druhýmu udělat, je prostě pro mě do dneška záhada.